With just a few clicks, you can create stunning images, logos, and even 3D visuals like this, all with Krea AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Krea AI, an innovative platform that redefines how we generate and enhance visual content using artificial intelligence. This video is split into timestamps, so feel free to skip ahead if you want to jump to a specific part. What is Krea AI? Krea AI is a cutting-edge AI platform designed for real-time generation of visual content. It offers a variety of features, including text-to-image generation, image enhancement, and unique tools for creating logos and illustration. The platform allows users to upload images, train the AI on specific styles, and generate high-quality visuals almost instantly. What is Krea AI doing? Krea AI focuses on empowering creators, text-to-image generation, create images from descriptive prompts by choosing styles like realistic, cartoon, or conceptual. Image-to-image generation, upload existing images and enhance or modify them based on new prompts. Real-time editing, adjust elements in real time with a split-screen interface that shows both the canvas and the generated output. Logo illusions, transform logos into creative visual representations for branding purposes. Enhancement tools use features like Quick Enhance to upscale and improve the quality of existing images. Price Krea AI offers a free plan that allows limited daily generations and access to basic features. For users who need more, the Pro plan is available for $30 per month, offering unlimited generations, enhanced tools, and priority support. Businesses looking for a complete AI-driven visual solution can opt for the Enterprise plan at $60 per month, which includes full access to all features and custom solutions tailored to their needs. How to use Krea AI? Create an image in under 5 minutes. Let's create a stunning visual step by step. Sign up. Visit Krea.ai and create a free account. Choose your tool. Select real-time generation from the dashboard. Input your prompt. Type in a detailed description, e.g. a serene landscape with mountains at sunset. Select style. Choose from various styles such as realistic or cartoon. Generate and enhance. Click generate to create your image, then use the quick enhance feature for better quality. Download your image, save your creation in high resolution for use in projects or social media.